A common question that I get is, can I use my insurance for chiropractic care? And the answer is usually yes, but there's another important question. If I have insurance, how much is my visit actually going to cost? And that answer can be a little bit more complicated. So I want to briefly explain how insurance works from both sides, your side as the patient and our side as the chiropractic office. When you give us your insurance information, we first have to verify your benefits. We're looking at things like, do you have chiropractic coverage? Do you have a copay or co-insurance? Do you have a deductible? Has that deductible been met? Are there limits on how many visits your plan allows? And are there any authorization requirements? All of those things can affect what you ultimately pay. And this is where one of the biggest insurance misunderstandings happens. Having insurance does not necessarily mean you'll have a $15 or $20 visit. For example, let's say your insurance plan has a $2,000 deductible, but it hasn't been met yet. Your insurance company may still process the claim and allow their contracted or allowed rate, but you may be responsible for most or all of that amount until your deductible is met. Once your deductible has been met, your insurance may start paying a larger portion of your care. And depending on your particular plan, you might then only have a copay, or you might pay a percentage of the visit called coinsurance. That's why two patients can come into the same chiropractic office, the exact same insurance, and receive similar care, but have completely different out-of-pocket costs. It's based on the individual insurance plan, not just the name on the insurance card. And there's another side of this that patients don't always get to see. After your visit, we have to document the care that was provided, select the appropriate billing codes, submit the claim to your insurance company, and then wait for the insurance company to process it. They determine the allowed amount, what they're responsible for, and what portion is considered the patient's responsibility based on your benefits. So I know that's a lot, and when we ask for your insurance information ahead of your appointment, we're not just simply putting your card into the computer. We're really trying to figure out how your particular benefits apply to chiropractic care so that there are fewer surprises. And insurance can absolutely make care more affordable for some people. But for others, particularly if they have a high deductible that hasn't been met, the difference may not be as dramatic as they would hoped. And sometimes even paying the established cash rate at an office may be more cost effective. So if you're wondering whether you should use your insurance for chiropractic care, the first step is simply to check your benefits. And if you're coming into our office, we'll help you understand what those benefits mean so that you can make an informed decision about your care. At the end of the day, your health and well-being are always the priority. Whether you choose to use insurance or prefer to pay self-pay, our goal at NeuroBalance is to help you understand your options and make care as manageable and straightforward as possible. Because taking care of yourself should feel like an investment in your health, not added stress. I'm Dr. Joshua Kivitz with NeuroBalance Chiropractic in Olympia, Washington.